the cloud block inclusive housing by INARO Integrated Architecture Office in Helsinki, Finland. The project seeks to explore how architectural design can support commonality and inclusion, while reinterpreting the semi-dense perimeter block typology in a former warehouse area, Postipuisto, in Helsinki, Finland. Social inclusion forms the core of the design. The housing block accommodates affordable housing, co-housing, rental apartments, and owner-occupied units. The different housing tenure types share a common courtyard for all residents. The design of plan types is adjusted for each unit. For instance, the affordable apartments at the eastern tip of the block were designed for a local organization providing housing for low-income residents. Here, apartments for different households are mixed, including larger family apartments, studios, as well as special units with high-level accessibility for the elderly. The design conforms to strict economic constraints. One of the design challenges was how to establish a pedestrian-friendly streetscape along the area's main street, despite the limited number of commercial spaces in the program and the need to place all utility spaces above the ground floor due to the poor soil conditions. The facade reflects the typological variation of the apartments. The upper floor apartments are larger and feature spacious balconies, which provide shading for units with the highest solar gain. The uniform light volume of glazed balconies and white plaster creates a contrasting yet unifying element against the diverse hand-built brick walls. Consequently, the lower part generates a lively streetscape, while the visually lighter upper section aligns with the adjacent railway area. This horizontal landmark is visible from afar over the open railway landscape. To enhance inclusion and interaction among residents, shared spaces were carefully positioned. The entrance from the street leads to a shared lobby, creating a lively living room for the residents. The clever positioning of fire escape routes to the courtyard from the stairways enables furniture and wooden materials in the shared space, which would otherwise be prohibited due to fire regulations. A resident space with a kitchen is situated next to the lobby, enhancing the sense of community during daily life. The space, bookable through an online system, is currently used for various purposes, ranging from remote work to birthday parties. Additionally, a rooftop sauna is situated on the highest floor. The design solutions for the spaces and interiors cater to all. In the lobby, a multi-sensory environment with a warm wood interior and clear contrasts, particularly on the floor surface, enables good orientation for those with limited vision or memory decline. The courtyard's vegetation is inspired by the Finnish forest, featuring granite rocks, pine, oak, juniper, and various ferns. Ground floor apartments opening onto the courtyard have small private outdoor patios.